Riley here, but I'm going to be doing a review of the Sweet 1600 Monster High Doll, so Clawdeen. I got the reboot, so she doesn't come with a skelet key or the little thing. So this doll does come with a stand, but it just comes with a hairbrush. So I don't have the box here with me, it's somewhere else in my room. So I'll start with the accessories. So she has this all black bag with these purple straps and these gold buckles. Sorry about the audio and the camera. Lighting. Oh jeez. As you can see, it comes apart and reattaches with this awesome little buckle. It looks so realistic, I love it. So it's got this black strap with these gold kind of lining. So that's the doll itself. It does open up, as you can see, but you can't fit much in there. So the doll herself has these regular hair, and I cut it just because I didn't like the length. In the front, she has these two purple streaks, and she's got her hair tied back. And you can't really see it, but it's like kind of all purple. So for her makeup, she just has this yellow golden shimmer eyeshadow and this pink rose lipstick. Now going down to what she's wearing, she has this unstrapped top that goes around her neck. It has a purple bow, obviously, and the 3 buttons. Around her, she is wearing this super, super cute high-rise jacket kind of thing with these poofy, fluffy sleeves. She has this high-waisted capri type pants with this super cute belt. It goes around, it's got a little moon on it. Obviously, she has these fake gloves that are actually painted on her hands. And they have little buckles and stuff. She has these purple leopard print pants with this golden and black trim. And her all freaky fab shoes look like this. They're basically these almost kind of inverted wedges with this fluffiness on the top and these 2 buckles. And this heel is golden, and it's got like these teeth type things. So I thought that was totally freaky fab. And she's missing an earring, sadly, which just has these 4 basic golden ringed earrings. So that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! I don't know how to wave apparently, but bye!